What's going on, guys? This is the ultimate guide on making money with your drone. Part 3, making your drone business legal. Hang around, hit that subscribe button, and we'll be right back. Hey guys, Art here off the Dome Media Group. Welcome back. So up to this point, we've talked about learning how to fly your drone for the type of business that you want to get into. And we've also talked about how you need to get your FAA Part 107 license before you can legally earn money flying your drone. In this one, we're looking at making your drone business legal. Let me first say that I'm not an attorney and I'm not giving legal advice. The information given is based on my personal and business experience. If you have any questions, please seek legal counsel. So stay tuned to the end of the video. I have a lot of good information to cover, and I'll give you the 4 steps to making your drone business legal. Let's jump right in. Now, before you start your business, you need to have an idea of what type of business you're looking to get into, what type of drones you'll operate, the legal structure of your business, and who you intend for your customer base to be, short and long-term goals. All these items and more combined become your business plan. Now, preparing a business plan is beyond the scope of this video, but I'll link some great software packages and resources for information in the descriptions below to get you started. I will, however, touch on some key points. Let's start with a common term in the business world: risk management. A general definition is the forecasting and evaluation of financial risks together with the identification of procedures to avoid or minimize their risks. In plain English, it means we need to manage within reason, because we can't plan for everything, any possible risk with doing business. As a SUAS or drone operator, the first thing that probably comes to mind is insurance, and that would be a good answer. However, before you leave the ground with insurance in place, you need a layer of protection between you as the drone operator and the drone. That layer of protection will be some type of legal business entity. That means an incorporated business, LLC, LLP, etc., etc. Once you have your legal entity in place, you will then register with the FAA every drone that you intend on using for business purposes in the business name, not in yours. By registering the drone to your business, it shifts the liability of the drone from you personally to your business. Now, please note, I did not say removes liability. I said it shifts the liability from you to your business. In most cases, even though you will be the only person in your business and you are technically your business, once you establish a legal business entity for all practical purposes, that business entity is treated as an individual. The idea is this: if something were to happen and a drone came down, say on a person or personal property, and a lawsuit were filed, hopefully the corporate veil of your company would not be pierced and you would not be held personally liable. Part of establishing your business identity includes establishing a location for your business, obtaining a federal identification number or EIN number, and setting up bank accounts in your company name. After all, you want to be able to accept payment from your clients and deposit it into your company account, don't you? Okay, let's recap and look at those 4 steps to making your drone business legal. Number 1, think of a short, unique business name that ideally describes what type of business you'll be doing. Number 2, register your new business name and entity with your state and local required government. Number 3, request your federal tax ID number online. You can do this in about 20 to 30 minutes during normal business hours. Let me remind you, it's important. You have to have your business entity registered with your state before you request your federal tax ID number. Number 4, open a business account in your company name. By this point, you'll have everything that you'll need. You'll have your state documents as well as your EIN number from the IRS, so you'll be good to go. I hope this gave you better understanding and a little bit of direction. There are links in the description below for resources and the terms that I mentioned if you have any questions. If you do have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. And stay tuned for the next video. As always, subscribe, comment, like, follow, and share. But you know what I'm going to say next. But more importantly, fly safe. Peace.